Oh, hello everybody, my name is Marek Jendral and welcome to the next video. Today we will speak about the next token NXPC, or let's say the project name is NXPC. So we will talk about the white paper, about this project, what is it about, and we will talk, of course, about the hodler airdrop on Binance because we had it connected with this NXPC token. So I guess we can start. So the introduction, right? What is the NXPC? NXPC is a blockchain-based of a Nexon Group, a company known for its popular game, which are online. And NXPC focuses on expanding an intellectual property, so IP, of MapleStore into a decentralized Web3 gaming ecosystem called MapleStore Universe, right? So this ecosystem uses blockchain technology to create new opportunities for players and creators, allowing them to interact with digital assets like NFTs in transparent way, right? So, and NXPC aims to build a community-driven platform where players can enjoy games, own digital items, and contribute to the ecosystem growth. By leveraging blockchain, NXPC ensures then that in-game items have a real value and can be traded or used across different applications within the MapleStore universe. So this approach transforms traditional gaming into a decentralized experience where players have more control and ownership. Yeah. We can say basically that white paper is telling us there are right now more than 250 million cumulative global users, and with more than 50 million accounts with more than 10 years of activity. So the NXPC vision is to merge the fun and nostalgia of MapleStore, the game, with over 250 million players, right? And $5 billion revenue over 20 years. And we can go through other main topics on the white paper as reward experience, tokenomics, we will talk about, right? So the company's goal is to make gaming more rewarding by giving players a sense of achievement and ownership, which is central to its concept of reward experience. So let's talk about the reward experience, right? What is it about? So reward experience, or RX, is the core appeal of MapleStore and the driving force behind NXPC's MapleStore universe. XR refers to the sense of achievement and satisfaction players feel when they obtain valuable in-game items such as rare equipment, characters, or consumables. This feeling comes to two key factors: utility and rarity. So utility means the item has practical value in the game, like improving a character's abilities or unlocking new features. Rarity, right? Rarity means the item is making rare means it's something it's harder to obtain, right? The item which is harder to obtain and is more desirable. Yeah. So together these factors create a rewarding experience that keeps players engaged. So in a MapleStore universe, RX is enhanced through blockchain technology. Unlike traditional games where items are controlled by the game developers, NXPC uses NFTs to represent items, giving players true ownership. These NFTs can be traded, sold, or used across different applications in the ecosystem, making the rewards feel more tangible. So, reward experience is is also tied to the decentralized nature of the platform, where players and creators can influence the game's economy without central authority, right? So let's talk about the MapleStory universe. Yeah, what is it? So MapleStory universe is a layer 1 blockchain ecosystem built by NXPC to reimagine MapleStory items and gameplay through blockchain technology. A layer 1 blockchain is a network that processes transactions and stores data independently, ensuring security and transparency. MapleStory Universe is designed to support a variety of applications such as games and community-driven projects, all powered by the MapleStory IP. So the ecosystem revolves around MapleStory items, which are now represented as NFTs. These NFTs can be used in game like MapleStory and PC, MMO, RPG, or traded in the MapleStory Universe marketplace. So community creators can build their own applications, such new games, tools that integrate with these NFTs, expanding the ecosystem possibilities, and so on. The blockchain ensures that items are valuable, enhancing the RX for players. So MapleStory Universe is designed for long-term growth with a focus on rebalancing the supply of items to maintain a healthy in-game economy. So, and now, what is the economy? Because the behind the economy is, of course, the token, right? So let's talk about the NXPC token and the tokenomics, of course. So okay. So NXPC is, let's say, a foundational token of the MapleStory Universe ecosystem. It is a cryptocurrency designed to facilitate transactions, reward players and creators, and maintain the ecosystem's economy. NXPC serves multiple roles as utility token, which means it's used to pay transactions fees on MapleStory Universe blockchain, similar to gas fee on other networks. Then we got also the key role, let's say, the medium of exchange, because the players can use NXPC to acquire NFT item baskets, which are collections of in-game items like equipment or consumables. And the last one, not the least, but the important one, reserve asset, which means basically that NXPC backs let's say it's the game currency, use it for in-game purchases and upgrades. So meaning its value is tied to NXPC, ensuring stability. So NXPC is designed to reflect the collective value of NFTs in the ecosystem. Players can redeem NXPC for NFTs or exchange NFTs back to NXPC, creating a flexible system where the token value is tied to demand for in-game items. So how tokenomics work? Tokenomics refers to economic system governing NXPC, including its supply, distribution, and use cases. The total supply is kept at 1 billion tokens, ensuring scarcity and long-term value. So, key features of tokenomics we can wrap up. It's first of all limited supply and scarcity. Then we got as I said, NXPC can be used for redeem NFT collection and so on. It's of course a decentralized economy, which means NXPC supports a decentralized system where players and creators can engage freely without arbitrary inversions from NextSpace, and of course, dynamic rewards and pricing, which we were talking about. So to wrap up everything about the token and this white paper, we can say the NXPC is revolutionizing gaming by combining MapleStory's legacy with blockchain technology through MapleStory Universe. The reward experience drives players' engagement by emphasizing the utility and rarity of in-game items, now represented as NFTs. So, this token was announced, of course, on Binance. This is the official announcement of. It's part of the Binance hodler airdrop system, which we could participate on tap more, launch pool, and click here on hodler airdrops, and yeah, here we got the NXPC. So that was basically all from my side. I hope the video was informative to you, and see you later. Have a nice day. Bye.